I bought this bike for $500. Who can resist a $500 636? It had been well maintained. The guy decided he was going to learn to do some wheelies, and he's the one that did the custom work to all the original body work. I just patched it together as cheaply as I could. The more tacky it got, the more I liked it. For some reason, I was not tempted to buy a tank and invest a bunch of money. I have a $1,200 Street Fighter. It ran great, fun bike to ride. I just had a really good time with it while I had it. It has since sold, but it was a nice little project and nice fun.